Welcome back to the magical RustLand, where coding spells come to life. Today's special spell is Hello World.
And get ready for a fun challenge after we learn the spell. You'll personalize it just for you.
Our coding spell begins with N space, M-A-I-N open parentheses, close parentheses, open curly brace. This is the starting chant for our spell.
The open curly brace tells our computer that our magical coding story is about to start.
Next, we add PRINTLN exclamation mark, open parentheses, quote, hello world, quote, close parentheses, semicolon. This command makes Rusty speak to us.
The exclamation mark after println is very special. It tells Rusty that this is a magical command, or a macro, and don't miss the semicolon. It's like saying end of magic.
To finish our spell, we add a closing curly brace, close curly brace. It's like closing a magical book after casting a spell.
You've done it! The Hello World spell is complete. Rusty is ready to send this greeting to the world.
Now for the exciting part. Replace world with your name. Nivaan, you can make it say, println, hello Nivaan.
By changing world to your name, you make Rusty's greeting special for you. It's your very own coding magic.
Great job, everyone. You're ready to make Rusty greet you personally. Let's see your magical greetings.
Keep exploring, coding, and having fun in RustLand. Every line of code is a new adventure.